After completion of this video, you'll be able to describe the principles of outcome-based BIM, explain the impact of generative AI in assisting designers in making informed decisions, explain how AI-driven tools like Autodesk Forma enhance early-stage design decision-making, and describe how Autodesk Insight is used for analysing data. Buildings are long-term assets, often standing for many decades or even centuries, and while initial capital costs can be significant, it is the operating costs such as energy consumption, maintenance and repairs over the building's lifespan that often has the greatest financial as well as environmental impact. Traditionally, BIM has focused on producing deliverables such as 3D models, documentation and asset information at handover stage. However, BIM is evolving into an outcome-based process where design and decision-making are guided by key measurable success metrics from the outset, such as achieving sustainable outcomes like optimized energy efficiency, carbon neutrality, or reduced waste through the project lifecycle. In construction projects, key success factors are identified early, for example, meeting environmental and client sustainability goals such as energy efficiency, carbon reduction, and long-term operational savings. With thousands of decisions to be made throughout a project cycle, AI-driven tools can play a crucial role in processing data, performing complex calculations, and generating predictive insights. And these tools produce data that helps teams make better informed choices that align with sustainability, efficiency, and financial outcomes. The foundation of outcome-based BIM is data. Data that is granular, accessible, and open, uniting teams across the project lifecycle. And the earlier in the design process you can analyse solar gain or measure carbon footprint of building materials, the greater the impact you can have on the outcomes. And this shift towards outcome-based predictive insights is made possible as AI-powered tools like Autodesk Forma allow designers to analyse design and make more informed decisions from day one. Leveraging information-rich 3D models, teams can optimise energy efficiency through early-stage simulations, plan proactive maintenance to extend asset lifespan and reduce long-term costs, and make informed design choices backed by predictive insights. And rather than replacing designers, these tools produce data that helps teams make better informed choices that accelerate the design process and enhance decision quality through better and more informed data. Achieving better sustainability and environmental outcomes begins in the early planning stages by analysing site-specific environmental data such as wind speed, sunlight exposure and noise levels. Designers can develop more efficient solutions at the earliest stages of the project, and using tools like Autodesk Forma in this approach streamlines workflows by accessing existing contextual site data with preloaded geolocated weather conditions, massing models, and environmental insights, reducing redundant time in data recreation, saving time and cost, and facilitating centralised collaboration, ensuring that all the stakeholders work from the most up-to-date design version and can easily see the impact of decisions on the outcomes. Integrating environmental analysis directly into the design process allows for continuous refinement of concepts, and instead of validating designs after key decisions have been made, teams can easily and quickly maximise daylight exposure for occupancy comfort and energy efficiency, minimise noise intrusion through early-stage site analysis, and optimise building performance by balancing thermal comfort, energy use, and operational costs. While the strengths of AI lie in the ability to process vast amounts of data quickly, designers apply their expertise to balance competing priorities, and it is their decisions that ensure project goals and outcomes are met effectively. Outcome-based BIM is not limited to the conceptual design stage. During later stages of the project, and with more detailed 3D models that include material performance, resistance values, as well as room function and other information, designers can create energy analytical models directly from the Revit model, which saves time and removes the need to recreate separate models for analysis. By sending the energy model to Autodesk Next Generation Insight, the analysis is done in the cloud, and once analysed, designers can use pre-made dashboards and cards to easily report targeted outcome metrics graphically to the wider team. Construction and other details, such as the lifespan of a building, is communicated and customisable. Changing the lifespan feeds back instantly in how it affects your outcomes in relation to total carbon. Embodied carbon remains the same as expected. However, in this example, it is the operation of the building over 20 years that will produce the majority of the carbon, jumping up quite considerably and demonstrating how the efficient design of a building could have the largest impact in reducing this through reducing energy use and other performance factors. And by simplifying analysis through the use of AI and other outcome-based tools, project teams can make better data-driven design choices with fast cloud-based simulations, customize and track key performance indicators, focusing on the outcomes that matter most, and collaborate seamlessly, ensuring that all team members work with the latest performance data. And so, outcome-based BIM is transforming how buildings are designed, constructed and managed, unifying workflows across the teams that design, build and operate the built environment. This approach enables better data-driven decision-making, leading to buildings that are more sustainable and cost-effective for decades to come. Whether you're maximising daylight, reducing energy, or optimising your carbon footprint, better informed data is now at your fingertips.